The first step in our journey is to install what we need, starting with a code editor. There are many editors that support TypeScript, either out of the box or with a plugin. We'll select one of the most common editors used by Angular developers, Visual Studio Code, often just called VS Code. You are welcome to use your editor of choice, but keep in mind that your experience with TypeScript will be much more pleasurable if you select an editor that understands TypeScript. If your project requires use of Visual Studio, consider learning Angular using VS Code first, then migrate your skills to Visual Studio. You'll be glad you did. So what is VS Code? It's a code editor created by Microsoft. It runs in Linux, Windows, and OS X on a Mac. It has great features that support TypeScript coding, such as auto-completion, IntelliSense, syntax checking, and refactorings. It also integrates well with source control, such as Microsoft's TFS and GitHub. And it's free. If you don't have VS Code installed, you can download and install it from this URL. Select the install appropriate for your OS. Consider pausing the course and installing VS Code now if you don't already have it. VS Code is easy to use, and I'll demonstrate its features as we progress through this course.